Hello guys, what's up? I'm Soham and I'm back again with a training session on how to take exam assessment test. So let's move on to how you can take the assessment test. Before moving on to it, I would like to request all of you not to use any sort of external tools for your examinations, not even any kind of AI tools, as it is strictly prohibited for this examination. And if by any means you get detected by our AI detectors, then definitely your sheet will be terminated for now. So please be careful and adhere to the guidelines as prescribed, and also go through the guidelines PDF that is provided to you, and also you will have to go through the various procedures of giving the exams on the usage of various forms of symbols and other stuffs. So let's begin. I'll just share my screen and then we can work upon that. So you will be given a link which you need to open. It will be of, yeah, this is the link. So I'm opening this and you can see the list of subjects appearing over here. Based on your expertise, whichever subject you choose to work upon, you need to select that. But first, you need to go to this credential folders. Okay, credentials, clicking on it. What do I get? Let's see. I'll get my ID and password. This will be your ID and password. Okay, so you just need to follow the steps of logging in as it was taught to you during the training. Simply go to Chrome and type in word to word check expert login. Click on the first link and it's logged in here. I'll just sign out and log in with this email. So here it is. I'll just proceed and you can see it's logged in now. All right. It's logged in. So my job over here is done for logging in. It's closed. Now I will close this credential folders. These credentials are done. Now I'll choose the subject of my choice. All right. Suppose say I choose chemistry, biology, or mathematics. I'll simply click on it. It leads me to a page where I can find a sample sheet. So let's see where this sample sheet takes us. Yeah, it's set of chemistry question paper links, biology question paper links, as well as statistics and probability. First and foremost, what we need to do is go to this option, file, and click on make a copy. This will enable us to edit or to access, not to edit, I'm sorry, but to access the sheet in a proper way. Otherwise, we will be restricted. We obviously cut the previous sheet, the original one, and this is our copy. So right here, what we need to do is we can choose any random link, whichever subject we want out of these three. Suppose say chemistry, this link I choose. I have to click on it and it directly takes me to the window where I need to solve. All right, where I need to solve the answers. So here it is. As you can see, simply click on new solution. You need not have to see anything else. Whatever is here, the question is given here. Just need to write the answer following the steps. You simply go to the answer portion. You type in the answer as the format was told to you. There should be a minimum of two steps. Suppose randomly I'm typing something. Step one. Okay, I'll just delete this step before moving on to the second one. This is step one, as you can see, as it is added. Then I need to add explanation, as it was told to you that you need to add explanation after each step. Once it's done, then you can add another step after that. So step two again, it requires the answer followed by adding explanation, which is obviously of 20 characters. It's a short two-liner explanation. Now, if you want, you can add steps if you have answers to add. Otherwise, minimum of two steps you need to do, followed by explanation after each step. So till here it's done. I simply move on to the final answer, which obviously cannot begin with any form of calculation as told before. It will be one or two liner minimum, sorry, not one liner, two-liner minimum. You enter something, it's a random text I have entered, and just observe this URL over here. The last three digits are 909, and it will definitely change once you click on the submit button. Just look at this. I simply click on submit. It has been submitted, and see the last three digits. It has been converted to D, small d, 1, and small e. It has changed. Now what you need to do is you need to simply copy this change link after you have submitted your solution. Simply copy this link, go to this sheet, and you will see the submitted solution part over here. where you need to paste this link, and your job is done. Now what you need to do is you need to submit it. How to submit it? Click on share, and over here you need to type the submitting email ID. That is grow GROWABH triple I. All right, GROWABH triple I @gmail.com. Press enter, and you can type in any message if you want. It's up to you. Suppose I type submission and then send it. That's the submission you have made, and it's done. Your job is done. If your subjects are these three, now what if your expertise are not within these three subjects? Then what to do? Well, let's move on. Again, we will start from that sheet. Yeah. For example, let's select physics or any other subject here. You can choose based on your preference. So physics, I just open this link, and here you can see a sample link has been provided. All right. Before getting access to that, we just need to click on file again and select this make a copy option for sure, so that we can get access to it, and we will close the original one. Now since we are having a copy right here, which is loading, it's accessible. So now we simply click on this link. All right. The credentials again remain the same, whatever was being given. So the credentials here, you will find the login credentials in this folder itself. When I click on it, it appears in a separate window. This is the same login credential. All right. And since it's logged in, it has landed me to this page, wherein definitely you can get your solutions done. Do not look at this portion. Just type in new solution. Select something random. It's chemistry by default. Okay. Select a domain from chemistry, and then you can type in your answers using the same procedure. All right. And definitely, here are the questions that you need to see. The questions appear to be here in this case, and following these, you can put your answer. Suppose say herein how you will answer following the same steps. Just a random typing. I'll add explanation as it is under our guidelines, followed by another step, as two steps are necessarily to be followed, followed by explanation again as it is to be added at the end of each step. Now you can add other steps as well if you have, or else I'm directly going to the final solution as it is for the teaching purpose. After it's done, again you observe the link. It will change. I click on submit, and it has changed. So clicking on that, I'll simply copy this whole URL of the changed answer. After the answer, this changed URL I'll copy, and here I'll go. After question one, suppose I have solved question one there, I'll write answer here and paste this link right here below question one. This way, you have to go and solve the other questions as well. You have to go on and solve the others in the same pattern, same format provided. And please remember to adhere to the guidelines, and it should not be violated, because that is the most important thing, including the quality, which is the key to your answer and to our organization. So this was it from the examination training part. So I wish you all the very best for your examinations or assessments. I hope it goes well and you use your knowledge and your persistence to the utmost. Thank you so much. It's me, Soam, signing off.